Hey, this is Ken with My Home Option. I'm going to show you how to draw a ton of buyers to your home the day it goes on the market, because as we all know, real estate is a numbers game. So the more buyers you have come to your home, the more offers you're going to get. The more offers you get, the more competitive the landscape becomes, and that drives your price up and up and up. And that's one of the key ways to take your home sale and turn it from just okay and actually make it fast, easy, and top dollar, because the buyers are fighting over it, right? And so that means you got to get buyers there. They're already kind of in love with it when they come, and then when they get there, they say, I absolutely want to have this home no matter what it takes, no matter what it costs. I want this home. How do you make that happen? Well, there's 5 steps. Number 1, you've got to create an attractive space. Okay, so that means making your space something beautiful, something amazing, using a lot of the copy-paste method, which we talk about in some of our other videos, and you can check out at the Perfect Home Sale webclass at myhomeoption.com. Step number 2, you're going to create an attractive offer. You got to create an offer that invites people to come. Step number 3, then you are going to maintain that attractive space really well, so when people come for showings, it is beautiful, it's amazing, they fall in love. Step number 4, you're going to leverage the pool, and then step number 5, you can actually create the contract because you've done everything else right to set yourself up for success, and now you get to really control the terms of the contract. Now, if you want to learn how to do this for yourself and your home sale, how to make your home sale not just okay, because nobody wants that, but make it fast, easy, and top dollar by drawing in all the best buyers to your home on day 1, right when you hit the market, then go to myhomeoption.com, check out the Perfect Home Sale web class. It's absolutely free. We talk about this, exactly how to do this, and a lot more that's going to help you get absolute top dollar, make your home sale easy, and make it super, super fast. So that is myhomeoption.com. Again, Perfect Home Sale web class. Sign up. It's absolutely free. Cannot wait to see you there.